Hi and welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Write a comment, let me know where you're from. Let me know that you're enjoying this video or that you just watched the video. That'd be great to know. It's always fun to engage with people. So this is going to be my fourth video. I haven't posted the third video yet because this fourth video is about how to post a YouTube video. The most basic of things that you need to learn when you're going to post a YouTube video. And since I've done that twice already, I feel like I am exactly the right expert to show you exactly how to do it. So I'm going to make it real simple. Real simple. So from your face, we'll start off at our YouTube channel. So here we are. So you can hit create from here. You can go in here and go to your YouTube studio. Anywhere it says create, you can click right on that. So we're going to upload a video. Select the file to upload. So now here's a pro tip that I learned from a pro. When you save the file under the name that you want the video to be named. If it's just 592734JXP, that's what's going to show up on YouTube, and you can't change it at that point. So you'd have to delete the video, go and rename it, re-upload it, and all that. So when you save the video, save it under the name that you want it to be shown as on YouTube. So here we are. What you need to get started making YouTube videos. So already the title's in here. What you need to get started making YouTube videos from zero. And I misspelled zero. So what are we going to do? We're going to cancel that guy. Then we're going to go and we're going to fix that. So going here, going to downloads, going here, and let us rename it. Easy fix, but something I'm glad that we caught. So that's fixed. So now we can go back to create, upload a video. I deliberately did that. No, I'm lying, I didn't. But it's good that we saw that. So now we're going to open this up. It's loading. What you need to get started making YouTube videos from zero. That's an actual word. We can use that. So now, under our description, we can tell everybody what this video is about. So, give it a little bit of thought. Think about what you want. Never hurts to type out a couple versions of this. Do this on a Word document, and then you can always cut and paste it. I didn't do that. I'm just going to do something real quick and simple in here. Description. A YouTube newbie is sharing everything he has learned thus far about creating, recording, posting, editing, and editing YouTube videos. Learn from zero. Now, one other thing I want to do is, because in that video I do talk about this vlogging kit, which you should really watch that video. It makes more sense. But I have an affiliate link for this, which is one of the ways that you can make money. Vlogging kits. Oh. So I mentioned in the video that I was going to put a link in the description. So now I have a link in the description. So now if somebody watches that video and they see, oh hey, you know what? 46 bucks. I want to grab that vlogging kit. They can jump on here, right in the description, pick up the vlogging kit, and I get a couple bucks. It's one way to make money. which is something we all need. So, for the thumbnail, easiest way to do it is just go auto-generated, done. YouTube's going to pick whatever it wants. I'm going to circle back to this. I'm going to actually make one, but for right now, we're just doing this. Playlist. I already have a playlist here, only one. How to make money on YouTube, done. So now this is a very important question everybody says. Is this video made for kids? So, kids don't, well, they shouldn't be buying anything off of the internet, and they're a much smaller demographic for purchases on YouTube or for monetization on YouTube. So, if you want to make stuff for kids, great. Not advisable, at least not at this point, unless you have some good affiliates with some toy stuff. But again, not something I'm doing anyway. No, it's not for kids. And then we're going to show more. My video does not have any paid promotions or product placement, sponsorships, or endorsements. Actually, it does have product placement, so throw that right in there. There is no AI altered content, so that's a no. Everything else I leave exactly the same. Tags. Now, tags, I've heard mixed reviews. Some people say they're super important, some people say they're not important. Either way, whether it's important or it's not important, I'm still going to put in there, because maybe if it brings one person in, then that's great. So, we're going to think for a minute. What tags do we want? So, this is about YouTube. This is about how to make videos on YouTube. This is about, it's about a lot of things. I should have thought about this a little bit more before I got into this. Again, this is something that you could very easily make a Word document for. Just when you do the Word document, make sure you put a comma. So, just to show you, you have to put a comma after what you do, and that's what jumps it out here. So, we're going to do how to make money on YouTube. Now, watch, comma. Boom. How to make money on YouTube. And if I misspell a word or don't like it, then I can just do that, and then I can spell it right. Comma, space. Great. I can add other keywords through my vidIQ, which we'll get into after we get this whole video set up. I don't change anything with language, caption certifications, recording dates, any of that. Standard YouTube license. I leave on allow video and audio remixing. Category. So this is how to and style. If this was even remotely funny, I'd hit comedy, education, entertainment. You get the idea, but it's how to. Leave the comments on, basic moderation. Show how many viewers like this video. Okay. Next. I don't want to add subtitles, personal thing. You can add subtitles if you want. I'm going to add an end screen. I like that one. So at the end, it'll show my face and another one of my videos. So that's pretty awesome. Next, copyright, no issues found, so I'm not ripping anybody else off. That's awesome. Next, so if I put it private, then only people that I invite can see it. If I unlist it, then anyone with the video link can watch it. If it's public, everybody can watch it. Well, I want everybody to watch it, so I'm going to put it as public. I'm not going to schedule it. I'm going to post it right now. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to hit publish. My video is published. Now if I wanted to share this on my social medias, I can do that from here. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to close that. So now I'm going to go to vidIQ. Go to home. So now here's my latest video. So this is the cool stuff. So I showed a little bit of this in the previous video, but now you're going to get to see me do it for real, which I'm sure people are going to be watching this and they're going to be cringing, going, "You idiot, that's not the right way to do it. You're missing so much stuff." Well, like I said, I'm learning. So let's hit optimize on this. What you need to get started making YouTube videos from zero. That's an 84. That's pretty damn good. I like it. That's awesome. So suggested titles are only a little bit better. Oh, that's good. How to start YouTube in 2025, start here. You know what? That's a 97. I like that. So all I have to do is click on that, and now that just changed my title. So I can review, I can look through, everything's good. So that is going to change on YouTube what the title of my video is. How it does it, I have no idea, but it does. It's amazing. So now let's go to the thumbnail. So it tells me my thumbnail basically sucks. It's a 15. So let's open up this thumbnail builder. So these are my old thumbnails that I had to choose from when I did my second video. So now that I'm doing my third video, it's downloading, it's creating. This is AI stuff right here. Pretty cool. So I can describe a thumbnail idea. What would my thumbnail idea be? So we can put in anything. The whole world is our oyster. Whatever we want. So I'm a bearded guy. I can put in bearded guy making YouTube videos, bearded guy with a YouTube banner, bearded guy in front of a computer. But here's some good options for us, generated by AI. More YouTube views, subscriber count matters, monetize your channel. None of them are bad, but do they particularly have anything to do with what I just showed? I can't say that it particularly does. So we can say starting YouTube channel from zero and hit create. So these are the other options that it gave me, and now it's going to be working on other thumbnails that it can give us, and it actually does it pretty damn quick, which is cool. This whole AI thing, man, it's terrifying in a lot of ways. Just always make sure that you're super polite and nice to the AI, so that if it does take over, it doesn't kill you first, or maybe it kills you first and quickly, and then you're good. So here we go. Look at this. From zero to YouTube. That's pretty cool. Start your YouTube journey. YouTube channel from scratch. This one's speaking to me right here. This one, YouTube channel from scratch. So I'm going to do that. I like it. I do. I'm not going to refine it. I like it. It's good. So we're going to download that. Zero. So there she is. So now we go back to YouTube. We go content. We go here. You're gonna have to pardon me. I have to remember details. I believe thumbnail. I'm gonna upload. Starting YouTube from zero. Open. And there it is. Boom. And now we're going to save it. Look at that. I remembered how to do it. So now, get rid of our downloads. Come in here. Go to our channel. Gonna look. There it is. Look at that. Well, you need to get started making YouTube videos from zero. And there's the thumbnail. And guess what? That's it. Just uploaded my third YouTube video. Pretty freaking exciting. I'm stoked. This one has more to it than any of the others. It already has been optimized quite a bit. So let's take a look at our optimization here. Let's see. We want to go here. It still says my thumbnail is shit. Also says my title's an 84 when it said it was a 97. Let's go back to this here. There we go. I didn't hit save. So my thumbnail's up to a 51% now. So if I want to know how to make it better, topic match, emotional triggers. It always says emotional triggers. I don't know how to emotionally trigger it anymore. But details. So this will give me more tags. Those are the tags that I have. And these are recommended. So I'm going to add video editing, content ideas, earn money, content creation, YouTube growth, YouTube tips, content strategy, engagement tips, editing techniques. This is just giving me all this, and all I have to do is just click right on there. And it'll just keep coming up with more ideas. I can keep adding more ideas, and the more tags I put in, the better off I am. I can put up to 500 characters in here. So you want to put in every single thing that you can. As long as it actually has something to do with your video. You don't want to be dishonest. You don't want to put stuff in here. But you want to get as close to that 500 as possible. It never hurts. You throw enough shit at the wall, some of it's going to stick. And these are all higher. None of these are super high trending. 76, 74. You know, but it's not bad. So again, we could throw a few more in here. Content blueprint, YouTube tutorial, content creator, YouTube income. So we're getting up there. So now we're going to save that, and all that is now going to be on YouTube right there. So pretty impressive. Still kind of a little upset about the 51 here for my thumbnail. I like that thumbnail, but gonna keep it. We're good. Title's a 97, so hopefully that gets us some engagement. And that's it. So now this video is going to be uploaded after everything's all said and done. I'm even going to do a little bit of editing on this one because I'm starting to learn how to do that. And that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Hope you now know exactly how to post a YouTube video now that you saw me stumble through it a little bit. And just make a damn video and post it. That's all you got to do. So thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Follow. Do all those good things. Talk to you later.